Hi there, this is Mar Haddad. In this first lecture, I just want to show you which courses you should have already to be able to follow this course, because this course is going to be only about labs. So I'm not going to discuss the theory behind each of the protocol. For example, when we configure BGP or OSPF or MPLS or VPLS or VLANs or whatever we are going to do in this course, I'm going to only do the configuration. So I'm not going to explain about those protocols, because I do have some other courses where I have spoken in details about all those protocols. So in case you already have taken those courses or you have those knowledge, then that's fine. You can just go to this course and do it. In case you don't have the knowledge of those protocols, then I highly advise you to enroll in my other courses first to understand the technology behind those protocols to be able to follow this course. So in this lecture, I'm going to show you which of the courses that I advise you to follow. So if we go to my browser and we go to my website, which is mynetworktraining.com. So because we are going to focus on this course mainly about BGP, MPLS, VPLS, OSPF, and VLAN. Of course, we are going to do more things, but those are the most important protocols that we're going to use. So what I advise you is to go here. What you can do if you want, you can just go to the bundles on MikroTik bundle over here, because we are anyway speaking only about MikroTik in this course. And then you can look for those courses. So the first course that I highly advise you to take is this one. So if we open it, that one, which is MikroTik Internet Networking Engineer with Labs. So this will cover BGP, MPLS, and VPLS. So it covers in details about all those protocols. So then we have the MPLS, VPLS, and the BGP covered. The second course that I highly advise you to take is the OSPF, because also we're going to use OSPF. So let's search for it. OSPF. So this one. Then, because in this course we are going to configure OSPF, so you should understand how OSPF works. So this course is only about OSPF on MikroTik. So we go in details about everything, the theoretical part plus the lab part. All right, so that's what you need. And then the last one that I highly advise you to follow is the VLAN course, because we are going also to focus on VLANs. We're going to use VLAN in this course. So this one, VLAN on MikroTik with labs, router OS and switch OS. So also I advise you to take that course, because in this course we speak in details about the VLANs. So those are the 4 courses that I highly advise you that you should take them to be able to follow my course that I'm doing now, because in this course I'm not at all going to speak about anything about what is MPLS, what is OSPF, how it works, what is BGP, how it works. So I'm just going to make the lab. And in case you want to follow the lab only, then I assume that you already know the theoretical part. If not, please follow those courses that I have showed you. I'm going to leave the links for you as well, so you can follow them. So this is all what I wanted to show in this first lecture. In the next lecture, we have to start working and configuring our core ISP. So I have to show you what is the scenario, and then we have to start building it up step by step until to reach to a point where our core ISP is well configured. So this is all what I wanted to show you in this lecture. I hope it was informative for you, and I'll see you in the upcoming lecture.